everyone, welcome back to the Herdio channel. We aim to make home audio systems affordable for more families. In the fast-paced world of audio technology, the demand for compact yet powerful solutions has never been higher. Enter the Herdio mini amplifiers, specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of home audio systems, especially those in unconventional spaces like bathrooms, walls, and ceilings. Let's delve into how these pocket-sized wonders redefine convenience and bring a new dimension to your home audio experience. If you're new to Herdio, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our updates. So let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the traditional desktop amplifier. Typically, these amplifiers are large, feature-rich, and commonly found in high-end audio systems. They boast powerful output and a plethora of audio adjustment options, making them the go-to choice for audiophiles seeking exceptional sound quality. However, they tend to be less portable and are better suited for fixed home audio setups. Now, let's turn our attention to Herdio's mini amplifiers, specifically the BT X01 and 68. The design philosophy here is all about catering to the modern lifestyle with portability and practicality in mind. They're compact and lightweight, but pack a punch. In terms of audio technology, whether at home, in the office, or on the go, they effortlessly meet your audio needs. In terms of appearance, traditional desktop amplifiers can be bulky, while Herdio's mini amplifiers are sleek and portable, easily fitting into your pocket. This means you can enjoy high-quality music anytime, anywhere, without being bound by location. When it comes to sound quality, traditional desktop amplifiers are renowned for their exceptional audio performance, catering to users with high demands for sound quality. However, Herdio's mini amplifiers hold their ground, providing clear, dynamic audio output, particularly suitable for everyday use and mobile environments. Speaking of price, traditional desktop amplifiers tend to be on the pricier side, while Herdio's mini amplifiers offer a more budget-friendly option, making them suitable for users on a tight budget who still seek high-quality audio. A 2-channel mini amplifier is a sleek and unobtrusive solution for those seeking simplicity. Its Bluetooth capability and aux input make it easy to connect various devices, turning your bathroom or any space into an instant audio oasis. Simply press the tiny black switch to turn the power on and off at the touch of a button. Imagine effortlessly streaming your favorite tunes while enjoying a relaxing bath or getting ready in the morning. Herdio 68, taking it up a notch. The 68, a 4-channel mini amplifier, not only retains portability, but also introduces versatility with USB, mic, and mono features. It's a dynamic choice for those who want more from their audio setup. Mount it on the wall or ceiling, and suddenly you have a powerful audio hub discreetly integrated into your living space. One seamless integration. The compact size of these mini amps allows for easy integration into spaces where a traditional amplifier might be too bulky or impractical. Transform your bathroom into a personal concert hall or infuse your living room walls with music without compromising on space. 2. Easy to connect. Bluetooth connectivity ensures a wire-free experience, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables that can clutter your space. Stream your favorite playlists from your smartphone or tablet with ease. 3. Versatility at its core. The 68's additional features, including USB, mic, and mono functions, provide users with a versatile audio solution. Use it for impromptu karaoke sessions. Connect a USB drive filled with your favorite tunes, or enjoy a mono audio setup for a more focused listening experience. 4. Budget-friendly brilliance. Herdio's commitment to affordability means you can enjoy high-quality audio without breaking the bank. These mini amplifiers offer a cost-effective solution for enhancing your home audio setup. 1. Bathroom bliss. Say goodbye to mundane shower experiences. The BTX A1's compact size and wireless capabilities make it the perfect companion for turning your bathroom into a personal spa with a soundtrack. 2. Wall of sound. Mount the 68 on your living room wall for a discreet yet powerful audio solution. Create an immersive audio experience without sacrificing valuable floor space. 3. Ceiling serenity. Take your audio to new heights by installing the 68 on your ceiling, ideal for spaces where wall mounting is not feasible. This setup delivers audio from above, filling the room with rich, immersive sound. In conclusion, both traditional desktop amplifiers and Herdio's mini amplifiers have their unique strengths. If you prioritize exceptional sound quality, have a fixed audio setup, and don't mind the size, a traditional desktop amplifier might be your ideal choice. However, if you value portability, affordability, and want to enjoy music in various life scenarios, Herdio's mini amplifiers might be the more practical choice. If you're looking for the right amplifier for you at Herdio, learn more by watching our beginner's guide. You can also contact us by email, always happy to help. Then be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of the Herdio speaker series. See you in the next video.